everybody, welcome to my channel. I am Tracie Reed and this is Acrylic Pouring with Friends. I hope you guys are all having a fabulous day. In today's video I'm going to be working on an 18 by 24 canvas, and I've got my cloud pour cup that I am going to use. As you can see, I had just done a painting and I did not like it at all, so I scraped it. My son came in after I had scraped it and saw this and he loved this. But I'm gonna, needless to say, I'm gonna pour over it. So again, I've got my cup and I have got my gorgeous colors over here, and I will just go over them with you very quickly. From DecoArt, I've got 24 karat gold. Actually, everything pretty much is from DecoArt almost. This is berry. I've got DecoArt Dazzling Metallics, Peacock Pearl, and Ice Blue. And then for my cloud mix, I have got DecoArt Satin Enamel with Vallejo Pearl Medium. I use 2 parts of the satin enamel to 1 part of the Vallejo Pearl Medium. This one is my regular. I mix it with my regular pouring medium, which I use 2 parts of that. I use 1 tablespoon of the Golden GAC8009 and a little bit of water. And then I usually will do like a test to see a consistency test on a tile, and then I can see if the consistency is the same, and then I add a little water if need be. And I had to clean up everything before because it was a disaster. So I had to get a new cup and everything. Oh my gosh, it was a total mess. So this cup right here I will show you is the paint that I scraped off of that canvas as much as I could. So this is a mix of all those colors. You can see it's really pretty and glittery because I actually had put copper in it as well, but I don't have any more copper. I used it all up. So there's no copper in this one. So I'm just going to go ahead and get started, and I'm going to put half cloud mix on each side. So I'm going to fill up each chamber halfway. I'm going to start with the bottom chamber on this side. Let's see. It looks pretty good. Let me see here. I'll put my topper back on, and then I'm going to fill it up the rest of the way on here till I get to the end of the spout there. I think I put a little extra in there. And then on the other side, which these are my 10-ounce cups, and each chamber, each cloud mix chamber holds 2 tablespoons of cloud mix in the front. In my 6-ounce, each chamber holds 1. So, and then I'm going to fill up the rest of this chamber with my cloud mix. I've done that in one other video and it turned out pretty good, so I thought I would try it. And I haven't used a big canvas in quite a while, so we will see. Sometimes they can be a little intimidating, but I'm gonna go with it. So now I'm just gonna start putting I'm gonna start with the Peacock Pearl first. This is one of my favorite metallic teal turquoise colors. I love Peacock Pearl. Just saying. I guess I'll go this way. And then the berry is super, super pretty as well. I really love when all of these colors blend together. It's always really pretty. And all of these colors, the rest of these paints are mixed with my regular pouring medium, which is Liquitex pouring medium, Floetrol, and water, and then some Golden GAC8009. Excuse me, my throat is still a little bit sore from that hockey game last week. Ugh, can't quite shake it. A lot of yelling going on. But it was super, super fun. So I apologize if it sounds a little scratchy. Alright, so I'm going to continue to fill this up. I'm probably using a little bit more of the gold than I should, so I might not put any more of that in. because you know sometimes that goes a little crazy. All right. And I usually just fill this to there's a notch at the bottom of the spout. And that's where I usually fill my paints, up to that notch there. All right, let me move this stuff out of the way really quick. Bigger canvas, I've got a little less, excuse me, a little less room there. And then, let's see, I think what I'll do is I'll pour this first and then I'll pour this afterwards. So, here we go, guys. Alright everybody, here we go with the dried painting, and it looks awesome. I love it. I love how the DecoArt 24 karat gold blended with the cloud mix, and I've got these really gorgeous gold clouds. So pretty. Also the berry, I have those nice lines in there. Oh my gosh, I would love to hear what you guys think, so leave me a comment below. And also don't forget, if you have not subscribed to my channel, I would really appreciate your subscription. I am trying to get to 20,000 subs, so that would be amazing if you hit that subscribe button. Also make sure to hit the notification bell, that way you're notified when I upload new videos. And don't forget guys, this video is for my Facebook group monthly contest, and the technique is a cloud pour, and all the colors are metallic. So I've got blue and turquoise or teal. I used berry, but magenta is acceptable, and gold. So head on over to my Facebook group for more details. Also make sure you check out acrylicpouringtools.com for all your acrylic pouring tool needs, and I'll catch you in my next video.